Ta-da!
Pak, matur suwun wis masak.
You're late, bodo. Is that right?
Ya.
Yes.
Ya.
Hello,
Pak
Parmeso.
Hari ini kayaknya mau masakin maminya ke sama dedenya ke makan malam. So I'm gonna cook my mum and dad dinner
Yeah,
today.
Kay's offered to cook dinner, so we're going to see how it turns out. I'm quite hopeful actually. He's a pretty good cook.
Today. Kita mulai masak.
Alright.
Ma? That's a great start.
It is. But I put the sweet potatoes in the oven.
Oh, okay. Today, hari ini kita tuh mau masak sapi geprek. Sapi dipelantat, terus digeprek, terus diulek-ulek gitu. Terus kita masak sama kayak saus tomat, sama merica, garam, sama
Kacang merah.
sama kacang merah ya.
I'm sous chef. Would you like some oil,
Yes,
sir?
please.
Sorry, would you like some oil, chef?
Just don't have to call me chef.
I do. I'm sous chef. You're the big chef, so I have to call you chef.
But,
Yeah, you ready? All right. But give that a minute to get hot.
yeah, no. We need not.
This one?
Yes, please. Now, what you want to do before you put it in? Because my style of it, you want to.
Chop it up a bit.
Yeah.
Interesting technique.
So when it's in there, you don't have to do it too much because you don't want it whole. You want it into bits, and then once it's in there, you break it down until it's about just cooked, and then you take it out into a bowl, cook the sauce, let the sauce bubble up, put that in, and then leave it for a good few minutes, and then.
Okay, nice. Do you want any other ingredients out? Garlic, salt, or
Maybe.
or garlic powder, tomato puree.
Yeah, tomato puree, please.
Okay.
Now, when you put it in, you just need to.
Just that. I get a little bin for you.
And look, they will just.
I need to get down here, mate, to get the onion.
Terus ini biar kita masak nyampe matangnya pas. Terus kita keluarin, kita taruh di mangkok. Terus bumbu-bumbu lainnya kita masak. Baru itu ini kita masukin bagian kayak ini terakhir.
Right, I'm going to chop the onion. How would you like it? Diced or sliced?
Diced.
Diced. Right.
Cut it in half 5 times or 4 times, I think it was. Iki aku diwangi bapakku, soalnya kalau kena sendiri nanti kayak kosong apa terlalu kayak lemot gitu loh. Jadi ini dibantuin motong-motong. And that perfectly done. Need
Remember in Indonesian as well.
This might fit, this might not.
Ooh. Yeah, it'll fit. It'll fit.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Do you want to put it down? Let me do
Yo,
it.
it's quite heavy.
Yeah. Sorry.
There you go. Sorry.
It's alright, man. Yeah, a plate of meat.
Then could you put a little bit of oil in, please? Not too much.
Not a lot, but a little bit.
So this is the minced beef cooked. Ini sapi. Gak tahu jenisnya. Sapi di penyate, wis mateng. Sekarang kita mau masak onions, bawang bombaynya.
Right.
So you twist it.
No, always clockwise. Hang about, let me go. I might be wrong. Yeah, clockwise. Oh man. Alright, I'll deal with the tea.
Ya, nggak bisa. Jadi dia saya yang nganuin. Soalnya bawangnya udah mateng, kita masukin tomatnya. Dan sekarang we're gonna leave it for a minute first, and then you put it in. Gosh.
Merica?
Hmm?
Merica?
Soon after you put the kidney. Not too much because it's quite strong. Oh.
Frozen, but pretty much they're cooked.
When?
When? Alright.
Mum, look at that. Loads of colours. It looks like Skittles in a sugar sauce.
Skittles.
Sekarang kita nunggu now we let it sort of bubble for a little bit and then put that in, mix it, and then that's done. Kita tinggal nunggu kayak berkelupuk-kelupuk, terus kita kasih sapinya dan kita sudah selesai matang masak. Dan sekarang kita mau masukkan beefnya. Now we're gonna put the beef in bowls hot.
Sok cabe.
Yeah, oh, look at that. Jadi ini kita tinggalkan buat 10 menit biar semuanya kayak meresap dan matang. Tadi kita kasih garam, bubuk mushroom, merica sama ya jamu, dan garam, dan kita campur-campur. Sekarang tinggal kita biarkan kayak mendidih dan tercampur. Dari situ kita bisa makan. Jadi ini udah matang Pak Merso. Jadi ayo kita plating. Habis itu ini nanti semua dimasak sama ubi panggang.
Dimasak?
Dimakan sama ubi panggang.
Itu apa, Le?
Kentang. Terus ini, ini ubinya.
I'll have a little ubi.
Okay. You're having two?
No, just one for now.
Okay. Get Mum big one. Are you sure you don't want?
For now, we'll leave that one. I might have it later.
Okay. Dah. Sekarang kita nunggu yang masakan yang kita masak tadi. Now we just need the stuff that I cooked earlier. Move on to there. We'll see how we go. Two spoons each for now. Ambune enak Pak Mirza. It smells really nice.
It does smell good, actually. It smells very nice.
Get a good spoon. Back to Mum. Right, that should be good for now, I reckon.
Enough seconds later, yeah.
Yeah. We only really need spoon. Ayo Pak Merso, dijajal masakannya ke.
Cheers. That's good, mate. That's good.
I agree.
That's really good.
Got quite a lot of different flavors. Rasanya banyak-banyak yang beda. Manis, asin, sama sweet, salty, and
For me, I describe it as hearty and savoury.
savory. What's savory?
In English, anything that isn't sweet is savoury. But
Yeah, I'd probably agree as well with that. Dan, say. Ini bikinnya gampang, terus makannya itu bisa pakai macam-macam. Bisa pakai kentang, ubi, apa nasi, apa mie. You could eat this with noodles, potatoes,
it'd be good
Yeah.
and rice. It would be good with
and
rice
nasi.
as well.
Yeah. Dan ini tuh sehat dan banyak protein. It's healthy and got loads of protein and carbs.
And lots of fibre in the beans.
Enak banget.
I'm down for Kay cooking a lot more.
Maybe.
Oh,
I'm expecting payment. What is this called? I don't know what it's called. Unless I've created something.
Well, it's an old school. I don't know. My mum used to make stuff like this, just mince and stuff and whatever lying around. I think there's mince is a good thing. Put some tomatoes in it, you've got that kind of rich sauce, and then you can pretty much put whatever you want in it.
Verscarne. Vercarne. Versatile con carne.
Chili con carne without the chili, with extra stuff.
Vercarne. God, it's really filling, isn't it?
It is actually.
Marai kenyang cepet banget.
I was thinking about something else to add to it. I might get some in the week. Have you heard of Worcestershire sauce?
Worcester.
Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah. It's that brown, isn't it?
It is weird, but you put it in things like this, it just adds a little, some sort of deep flavour to it. It's good.
I have an idea. What if you cook this with fish instead of mince?
Well, there's only one way to find out.
You could buy the fish. I could fillet it. Heavy stuff in there, so it makes you full quick.
It is filling.
Yeah, very. I don't think I can have seconds.
Well, I think I can manage a bit more of the meat.
I think it's a job well done.
It is. Good job.
Except of the part that we skipped when my dad added a bowl into it.
But that wasn't on the camera, so that's alright. It didn't happen.
Pak Bay, Ibu
Yeah.
Pura.
Yo no. Enak sekali.
Kayaknya jadi suka deh. Ini gigitan terakhirnya kayaknya bikin kayak nggak tahu ini gimana ya. Oke ya. Tak sendok gak bisa.
Imbuh lagi. That's right, wasn't it?
Marak. I'm full.
You full?
Very full. Oh,
Oh, really good, man.
thank you. Sampai Pak Merso, kita masakannya tadi, aku ora roh jenenge, tapi yang ini kayaknya namain Vercarne. That's what I don't know what it's called, so I'm just gonna name it Vercarne.
Cake carne.
Oh yeah. Cake honey.
Chili K carne.
No chilies, no
No
chilies
chili,
in it.
just
Just
cake
cake
carne.
carne. That literally means K's meat. But
maybe we don't
maybe not. Maybe, but in the Spanish that doesn't have that weird connotation that it does here with English slang.
Let's keep it. Let's keep it at Vercarne.
Carne. Okay.
You lot are weird, but today that's about it. Better what it's called, so calling it Vercarne. Really nice and filling. But thank you for helping me cook. Makasih ngewangnya aku masak.
Yole boto boto.
And Sementing sampean seneng, Pak. Tapi wis. Dadah Pak Mirsa.
Sampai jumpa.